This is a review of the 6-piece dining set outdoor that I would definitely recommend. So this is pretty much a 6-piece dining set. So pretty much it comes with the table, it comes with the 4 chairs, it comes with the umbrella provided as well too, which is a huge plus right there. So it gives you that shade, so you pretty much don't get sunburned or anything like that. It gives a good shade whenever you're outdoors. Today's weather is a little bit cold and it's a little bit, there's no sunlight, but in the sunny days it's gonna make a big difference and pretty much give you that shade. But I do want to mention the quality is really amazing. This is a glass quality on top, so pretty much you can see that's glass right there. Up right here we see, like I told you guys, 4 chairs right here, and stainless steel quality, which is just pretty much really amazing, high quality steel. And you can see that the install was very simple and easy, which I give that also a huge plus, because some outdoor dining sets is too much of a hard install. This one was very user friendly and easy, very easy to install, and I would highly recommend this since it's a really beautiful piece. And it's 4 sets of it. It comes with the dining set, like I told you guys, the table, the umbrella. Pretty much it gives you that shade, and also if it rains it also protects you from the rain as well too, a little bit. But I would highly recommend the 6-piece outdoor dining set if you're looking for a new dining set for your outdoor activities and you want to give a good change to your environment in your backyard. Then this is something I would highly recommend. And I overall enjoy this 6-piece outdoor backyard set, tables and the umbrella, and I would definitely recommend this to everyone that's looking for a new accessory for your backyard. Then this is probably one of the best outdoor accessories that you could get.